Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a one bed, one bath manufactured home at lot D-7 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this is a relatively new house that we have here. Got outside water and electric. Take a look inside now. So I think second you walk in, you can really see the really great color of the flooring. And I think the contrast against the cabinets and the walls just makes this really kind of great ambiance in the house. So here's the kitchen. Got the thermostat here. This is central air conditioning. All Whirlpool appliances in the house. Here we have the refrigerator, freezer on top. You can see the farm sink here, and we've got this really nice subway tile backsplash. The laminate countertops. Microwave above the stove oven combination. Underneath there is a heating tray as well. Right here is the furnace. This is responsible for the forced hot air and the central air conditioning in the house. Here is the back door. You can see right here that you have that stone yard out there. So it's very, very low maintenance. You don't need to cut the grass or anything. You would just have to weed that. Here we have the bathroom. And here there's a little bit of a darker countertop. Here you have the window. It brings in a good amount of light. And here is the shower. This is one-piece fiberglass with those seats on either side. Before we get to the bedroom, here is the electrical panel. So this is just like a regular house. It's 100 amps and everything is labeled there for you. Right across from that, we have stackable washer and dryer. Also Whirlpool. And here is the bedroom. So both the bedroom and the living room have that cable jack right there. Here is the closet. Got two extra screens as well. And then behind this door, we have the water heater. This is a 40-gallon water heater. Now, if you're interested in this house or any other house that we offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you set up on the path to owning your dream home. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our three communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our three mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's reception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.